Each year there are between 500 and 600 Google algorithm updates. Social media platforms almost change each and every week. The good news is Google doesn't directly take into account social media, but there are some strong correlations between having a good social media presence and good Google rankings. But what can you really do to improve your rankings on Google through social media? Let's dive right into it. Hi, my name is Matt Pike, and today I'll be explaining the correlation between SEO and social media. Link building is a big part of SEO, and for some marketers it's a really tiresome, grueling process. But with the help of social media, it can make link building a lot easier. The more times your content gets shared on social media, the more eyes that get on your website. If the right people are viewing your content, the likelihood of them linking back to your website is a lot higher. First of all, distribute your content through your own social networks, so through your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other medium that you find best. Once you've posted your content, don't be afraid to repurpose or reshare it. Try this little cool hack. On LinkedIn, copy and paste the first 2 to 3 paragraphs of your blog, and then in brackets type "click to continue reading" and hyperlink that text to take people to your website. When writing your blog articles, you should be linking to external sources. Track down the authors of these articles and reach out to them on social media. Send them an email saying that you've included their content in your content and see if they're willing to share it on their social media. Even if it's just a retweet, then it'll increase your reach significantly for your article. As I mentioned before, don't be afraid to continue to share your content once you've posted it. When you post a new blog, post it at least twice that week, and then after that, post it every other month for the rest of the year. More recently, Google started to take into account branded searches. The more times people are typing your company name or business, then the more Google starts to recognize you. Then they'll start to reward other pages on your website too. Some websites where you've never done SEO on it before, make sure that you've submitted a sitemap to Google Search Console, otherwise you might not even show up for branded searches. With the organic traffic that you get into your website, try and display call to action buttons for people to follow you on social media or like your page. Once you've earned this traffic, you're able to post to them for free. With Flyout Media, we get quite a lot of organic traffic, and what we tend to do is, through the Facebook pixel, we tend to retarget that traffic. Marketing is all about planting seeds in the user's brain, so again, using the Facebook pixel to do retargeting ads, that again is another touch point. In general, in online marketing, it's very important to have as many touch points as possible. You need to be covered on organic social, SEO, and paid social. With our organic traffic, we tend to retarget ads on Facebook or Instagram with resources or other blog articles in an attempt to get the users back onto our website. In the SEO community, it's argued how much click-through rate is an actual ranking factor. In my opinion, click-through rate does have a big impact on search rankings, as Google does want to display the best, most popular results higher up in the pages. So social media is a great chance to optimize those meta titles and meta descriptions. As I mentioned before, resharing content. Each time you share it, change the title. See which title gets the most clicks, and then implement that onto your web page. This should give you a better indication on what people actually click on. From my research, reviews aren't a direct ranking factor when it comes to ranking on Google, but I believe the more positive reviews that you have on Facebook and other review sites does help you on Google. Google manages to scrape reviews from other websites across the web, such as Facebook, Yelp, and other directory websites. Whether you do business online or offline, simply ask your current or past customers to leave you a quick review and a star rating. When you come up in Google, the more star ratings that you have, the more users are likely to click on your results. Social proofing is very important. A big part of SEO, at least at Flyout Media, is all about conversion rate optimization. Believe it or not, for us, driving traffic to the website isn't as difficult as it sounds. The skill is turning that traffic into conversions. The skills, techniques and strategies you use while optimizing the website for SEO can also benefit your squeeze pages and your landing pages. One of our favourite conversion rate optimization tools is Hotjar. You can use Hotjar to create heat maps of your website to see how the users interacting with your website. We also use Google Analytics to track the path of users and see where they're landing on the website and where they're exiting. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you're interested in working with myself and the rest of the Flyout Media team, then make sure you visit our website. If you have any questions, then leave them below and I'll make sure that I answer them. And I'll see you in the next video.